Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about what it means if you possess a professional license and are charged with a crime, and the collateral consequences that a criminal case and certainly a criminal conviction could and likely will have on your ability to either obtain or maintain your professional license. And just so we're clear, when we're talking about professional licenses, we're talking about medical licenses, dental licenses, any type of license really where the state gets involved and you have to apply, whether it's a background check, whether it's an ethics check, whether it's a licensing board, whatever the case may be. We see it a lot at my firm, representing nurses, representing doctors, representing real estate agents, pretty much anyone in that professional realm who finds himself accused of a crime. And what's really, really, really important if you have a professional license and if you're facing criminal charges is you look at it as to what is going to affect your license, right? What outcome may or may not affect your license, and what can you live with and what can you not? Because sometimes, a great resolution on paper, someone will look at a case and say, wow, you guys did a great job resolving that case. But the reality is, if it puts our client in the same position with their professional license, if that's a most important thing to them, then what have we really accomplished? Right? So it is essential that if you have a professional license, just like if you have an immigration consequence and maybe you don't have citizenship, whatever the case may be, just like if you're going through a divorce and you're accused of domestic violence or accused of child abuse, the impact of a criminal conviction goes far beyond just, I didn't go to jail. Or, I didn't go to jail, I avoided a felony. There's a lot more to it, and few, if any, type situations we see have a greater effect outside of a criminal courtroom than we do with those clients who have professional license. So it's just something to, keep in mind to make sure that the law firm you decide to hire to represent you, if you're facing criminal charges, has that experience and has that wherewithal to understand that your case is different than every other DUI because of your professional license. Your case is different than every other domestic violence case because of your professional license. Certainly when we get into violent offenses, certainly when we get into moral turpitude offenses like theft, robbery, those types of things, the law firm you hire needs to be aware of this, needs to be developing a strategy that is going to try and protect your license if that can in fact be protected based on what we're dealing with, based on the facts of the case, based on the weight of the evidence against you. So I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions about your criminal case, especially if you have a professional license at stake, feel free to give my firm a call at 619-295-3555.